candy.
But wait, can we just take some video?
Oh, for snot?
Yeah.
Do you like your candy, honey? Tastes good?
Mmm.
Hi, Lucy. I like candy too. I like candy too.
Are you recording a movie?
Yeah.
I'm going to message to see if it's coming.
Lux, does that taste good?
I'm gonna eat all my marshmallow bunnies in one day.
Oh, look at that. The whole thing's gone.
I know, she already ate it.